have a bunch of other come up to you. You want to come up here for you?
Me too.
Make your way up to our main stage. And if you ever want to learn how to do a Tahitian dance, that'll be the perfect opportunity to do so. Our brave volunteers coming up. We don't discriminate. We'll take male and female. All right.
Yeah.
Do we have any more? We still got more volunteers coming up? We still got some more people coming up. This is your opportunity to show the audience what you have kind of learned, so to speak. Doing it here this evening.
Oh, hell no. Not this time. This is public humiliation we're talking about.
All right. Do we have everyone on stage? No, not yet? Okay. Whoever said no, you have to come up.
$75,000.
No. All right, still got a few more stragglers here. Once again, thank you for coming down to our Spirit of Polynesia recital. Oh, we got people all the way up in the rafters there. All right. Oh, look at that. Who brought that volunteer up? How about that? Maybe there you go. All right, just give about another minute here. All right. I think we have everyone here. And you guys, don't worry about the people with the cameras. Remember, what stays inside of Benton High School goes on Facebook. Okay, no, it's not Facebook. It's YouTube. Okay. Do we have everybody? All right, let's get the ladies first. How about we bring out the ladies first? We always do that. All right, ladies, step on in front. And you're going to face the drummers. Gentlemen, yeah, feel free to take a knee there. Take a step back. All right, ladies, give yourself some room by spreading your arms out to the side. Some arms out to the side there. Very simple. Give yourself some room. This way you don't poke each other in the eye when your hands are out. All right, now the Tahitian dance is very simple, based on the sound of the bass drum. That's what moves your hips, all right? So, when you hear the sound of the bass drum, all right, I want you to pretend that there's an apple on the right side of your hip. You're going to bump that apple all the way to the other side of the stage, okay? On the count of three, bump the apple to the right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the apple barely moved. All right, let's bump it a little harder, all right? Bump the apple to the right. 1, 2, 3. There you go. All right, we're going to pretend there's an orange on the left side. All right, so bump that orange to the left. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. All right, very good. Now let's review. Bump the apple to the right with the sound of the drum. Ready? Apple. Orange. Apple. Orange. Very good. Now we're going to make a fruit salad. Do that, you're going to make a circle with your hips, all right? So make a circle with your hips. We want a fruit salad. We don't want any big chunks of fruit in there. So make a big circle with your hips. Pretend you're drawing a circle. What's your okole? Bigger circle. On the count of three. Bump the hips to the right. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right, let's see what you've learned, all right? Get ready to bump the apple and then the orange, all right? Ready? Apple. Orange. Apple. Orange. Apple. Orange. Apple. this evening. Now we're going to bring up the gentlemen. All right, the gentlemen, guys, here we go. All right, guys, make sure
This is gonna be funny.
your best. There you go. Your best side to the audience. That's your back. We need to show some leg. Some of you guys got that mailman stand going. I see it. Yeah, that's right. Pull your socks up. You want to see the tan line. All right. All right, guys. Now the male duty, put your hands on your hips, guys. Hands on your hips there. Somebody already knows how to bump the apple in the orange. So let's see what you learned from the ladies, all right? On the count of 3, bump the up to the right. 1, 2, 3. Some of you guys are going right from your left. Let's try to get bump the up to the right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Some of us really miss Big Bird. All right. All right, now let's pretend there's an orange on the left side, bump the orange to the left. 1, 2, 3. All right. Maybe we need to peel the orange, huh? All right, let's make that fruit salad, guys. Circle with your hips. Big circle, guys. On the count of 3, fruit down to the right. 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right, guys. Let's start off a little slow. Get ready, apple, orange, apple, orange. This is how slow we're going to go. Apple, orange, apple, orange. All right, very good, very good. Okay, now I want you guys to turn in place. Make a circle. Yeah, do the whole All right, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and have a seat. All right, this is good. Oh, no, we have one more, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my bad. What's your name, sir? Thanks for facing me. What are you going to tell? What's your name, Tim? Tim, how about a big round of applause for Tim? And how about a longer round of applause? Tim is getting married.
Good for you!
Oh, this is how fast it was. Tim is already married. Just got married! All right, Tim. You're going to impress your wife on the stage here by showing her what you have seen from all these ladies, all right? And these gentlemen. So, we're going to start off slow. So put your hands on your hips. Face your dancer. And then we're going to start off slow, okay? And slower, and then we'll get faster, and faster, and faster, and then when we're done, we'll get faster. All right, Tim, you ready? Audience, you ready for Tim? All right, Tim, here we go.
wasn't that silly?
Alright, you guys have a good time? Now, to introduce the whole cast to you, and here they are. Okay, we have a few words from our teachers here. Novalet, Rosemary. There they are. Come. So these two have been dancing for, about 45 years? Oh, 45 years? So together that's 90 years. Great! So you guys want to say anything? Okay, you guys mind if we do one more number for you guys? We don't really express our feelings like talking. We express it by dancing. So this next dance is to all of you. Thank you for coming tonight and supporting us. All the dancers, they practice really hard. And I'm really proud of them. So you practice really, really hard. And We're going to go to California in 2 weeks, and we're going to represent Central Oregon. Is that for me? Oh, Northern Rose. Where's mine? Northern Rose. Got some flowers for you guys. Got some flowers for our appreciation. Oh, that's a marijuana plant. Oh, wait, I didn't know that. Okay. This next song expresses how we feel for all of you guys coming tonight and supporting Medley Ohana.
Kaya